Okay, shit, dude, I've never made a YouTube video while streaming before. How do you start? Do you do like the, hey, it's YouTuber here? I'm not a YouTuber. I'm a streamer. I'm lazy. I just cut up my footage and send it on over. Done. Right at the door. That's what we do. Clickbait. Ah, yes. Yes, that's right. Yeah. How do you do that? I'm too honest. This video sucks. Anyways, alright, well, I guess we'll begin. So, in case you weren't here for the explanation earlier, got 2 boxes. 1 box, 1 package. This one I know what it is. Not gonna spoil it. Not gonna spoil where I live, either. This one I don't know what it is, and we're just gonna pop that bad boy open and see what's going on with it. So, let's begin. Make sure nothing comes up. Okay, so because I know it's in here, I want to be careful opening this up. I might not even need the scissors now that I think about it. I think this came from the UK. But the individuals I ordered it from are not in the UK. I can assure you that. I know for sure that they are not British. I'm trying to be careful as I open it here. Oh, beautiful, perfect. Wait a minute. Is it beautiful, perfect? Or am I beautiful, perfect? It can't be that second one. Okay, just ruin it. Just destroy the package. Okay, cool. Alright, yep, there we go. That's what I was afraid of. Alright, we're gonna get that out of here. Make sure there's nothing else in it. Okay, so this, you've probably heard me talk about them in the past. Nice. I'll show you what that is in a second. I can't remember if this was a birthday present or a Christmas present, but it was a present. So I've been really into this metal band. Go figure. Their name is Tallah. Yeah, you can kind of see that. Wait, is it backwards? No, I'm one of those people! Anyways, this is their newest album. Came out last year. Titled Generation of Danger. And I don't do album of the year, like picks like that. I don't like doing that kind of thing. However, need the scissors. This one was definitely mine last year, and I was pretty hyped to get this because it's fucking awesome, dude. I don't have the garbage over here. That was a bad idea. Streamer makes bad idea. Well, anyways, this particular copy of the album came with a signed photocopy of the band. So, yeah, that's everybody. Hell yeah, brother. I do plan on framing this because that's sick as shit. We'll pop this bad boy open right now. The art on this is sick, not gonna lie. Cool. It's not the early 2000s anymore, so you don't get an art book with it. I'm kidding. That's the only thing I hate about new CDs or games or anything. It's kind of hard to take it out for the first time. Nice. No damage. Everything came in just perfect. This is the inside. Kind of hard to see. Oh my god, the light. No. Okay, well, there's really cool artwork. I can't remember who they said did that. I think it was Justin. Don't remember though. So a little background about these guys. You guys heard of Dream Theater? I know Seth has. 100% you know who Dream Theater is. So the drummer of this band is Mike Portnoy's son, which blew my mind when I first figured that out. I was like, whoa. Thad, can you get that? But I guess that's just a testament to how old we are now as bands that people are super into, their children are making sick music. Anyways, really good band, really good album. Out of the 2 albums they have, this one is absolutely my favorite. If you are interested, I mean, they're really chaotic, so you might not know what you're getting yourself into, but if you're going to look into anything specifically from this album, I would say Shaken Not Stirred. It's probably a pretty good first entry, unless you're seasoned. But this album is insane, dude. Love it. I have heard it because it's been on YouTube, but it's nice to have CD quality now, as opposed to YouTube compression and all that garbage, so... Ah, man. It'll be fun to throw that in. Another generic intro. You've got an amazing video for us today. Seth has a video for us. Before we get into it, let's hear from our sponsor. Well, I can't say that. I'm not sponsored by them. Although I'm sure they would. Alright. Let's crack open the mystery box. You think we'll get a ray gun? Do you need social security number and info? Absolutely, maybe. How do I want to do that? I mean, I don't know what's in it. Should I be careful? I never, weird confession time. I never really got into Dream Theater, not because I, like, hated them or anything. It just was never something I ever tried out. So if anything, I heard maybe 1 or 2 songs, at most. That's the same with, like, Hawken. Oh, this tape is just straight up coming off. I've been listening to their new song lately, though, Alphabet of You. And at first I was like, I don't know, this is kind of cheesy. But then it really got going. I'm like, wait a minute, this is sick. I love this. So there's that. So yeah, I wouldn't say I dislike Dream Theater. I just never really, like, I don't know, for whatever reason, circumstances happen in a way where I just never check them out. This part is... I need to go back to school and learn how to cut, because this is just not happening. Wait a minute, what if I just stick my hand in there and rip it open? Not one of your favorites, but they're solid. They're one of those once every while bands. They're definitely the kind of band that the prog community is super into, for sure. I mean, it's Dream Theater. I guess what I mean is I haven't really heard a lot of them to have any kind of opinion. Alright. So I guess before we open this, I mean, there's nothing of note to really say on it. What is this? If seal is broken, check blah 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 blah, that kind of thing. Well, I just broke the seal. It looks like it was taped over the seal, though. Yeah, like there's tape and then there's the warning seal. I'm just a box. Streamer's just a box now. Alright. You guys get to see first. Because I don't... Tell me what it is. Ta-da! What? Did somebody order paper from Dunder Mifflin? What the fuck is this? It's a box of paper, dude. This was on my doorstep? All of that buildup for paper. Yeah, I mean, listen, okay. Somebody's got to sell paper around here. That's... Was there really all that much buildup? I think it was just me being a lazy streamer. I mean, okay, look. I guess I could use it. Could write on it. Okay, well that was a waste of fucking time. Throwing that back in the garbage. This, however, has my personal information on it. I was a little worried at first because I read this and it was like, let me see. Does it say it? Yeah, it just says Tallah, Generation of Danger. I don't know why I said that like a Valley Girl. And it doesn't say anything about the signed photo. Still talking like a Valley Girl. So I was a little worried at first, but thankfully it was not the case. It did come with what it was supposed to. So, yeah, that was... That was something. I guess I'm putting this on YouTube. Hope you enjoy this garbage. Like, literally, actually, we literally opened garbage. Not Tallah. Tallah's great.